Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel first and share me the thing. We're looking to GRT. So before we look here, we're looking to Bitcoin price, and here is a very interesting constellation. We have our resistance line here at this level is 64,000, and you can see we tried this one time, two time, three time. Yeah, if you want, we can make the resistance a little bit wider, but in this area is the resistance. So um, we have this situation. This is the negative channel. This is the positive channel to the top side. And you can see with your own eyes, we break the positive trend line here to the downside. Now the question is, will the price of Bitcoin go to the top side or not? Um, it's relatively easy to understand this. This is the positive trend line to the top side, and the possible target is this because this was the downtrend. Now we begin with the top trend or uptrend. Yeah. So, and you can see this today. We forming here a positive formation. Yeah. Now it depends on Bitcoin. Yeah. Normally, we have to make this move here to 64,000 because the reason is we tried this more than three times, one time, two time, three time, and normally we have to break here out and go in direction of 72,000. Yeah, this is the first strategy. The second is if Bitcoin don't make this move here to 64,000, yeah, the vaults can stretch in two sides. Yeah, one side to the top side and one side to the downside. So imagine this move is happening in this case. Yeah, this similar move like that. Yeah, it's the same move, but they can switch, and then the price could fall here to the downside. It's the same move. So, and then we have this situation, and if this happening, then Bitcoin has really problems. Yeah, if you look here, we touch this then one time, two time, three time maybe here, and then fourth time we break this to the downside. Or if you say if we count this, yeah, if you begin from here, one time, two time, three time, yeah, fourth time. So we have really the situation. We call this pat, yeah, 50% downside, 50% to the top side. And what I not like is Bitcoin stays here in the middle of this channel. Normally, this is not a good sign because if the value of crypto or something other things like gold and silver stay here at this level, yeah, 50%, then most of the time the price is falling. But at the moment we have the falling situation behind us, yeah. So I think from this point of view, we will rise to the top side. But I say to you here, clear, if the vaults switch this to the downside, yeah, then we will see something like that, and the next target is 48,000. But if coming everything through and the price is going to 64,000, then the next move is 72,000. So we have these two infos, and now we look to GRT. Is a little bit loading. So then we have this chart. I would say this is for you interesting to that I mentioned the crypto Chromia and Chilis or Mana. Yeah, we have at these two cryptos or free cryptos the situation that we get or that we got here in the past. The situation that these cryptos are break this um, resistant to the top side. Yeah. So, and then you can see what we have here. We touch this one time, two time, three time, and now it's the time to break out from this. Yeah. Um, we saw this situation at Mana, at Chili's, and at Chromia. They have a similar formation like that, and then they break out here. So I would say if this coming true, yeah, that we break out here, then I would say that we will go here. Let's look. Let's look. I would say we will go to $3.50. Yeah. If we break here out, then we will see $3.50. Yeah. Because we have here a left shoulder head and a right shoulder formation. Even if we not go so far, I think this area is possible, $2.20. Yeah, due to this formation. And if Bitcoin goes to 64,000 or more, this will happen. Yeah, because this is a left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and we have the energy to go to $3.50. This is fact. Yeah, we saw this also in Chromia, in Chili's and Mana, and you can see also here we touch this line, the resistance more than 3 times, and we will break here to the top side. So this is the positive explanation or strategy. Now to the negative is I explained you a few minutes ago that we have the possibility that the walls can switch this to the downside here. Yeah, it's the same formation, switch, and then they could make this. So everything is then how can I say goes in another direction, and you can forget then the price rising to 72,000. Then we have the problem the price could fall to 48,000, and Chromia has no possibility to go to this way. We will fall here to the downside. Yeah. So prepare yourself. This is a very interesting and very key level, or this is the area in which the walls decide. Yeah, and this is a very important point. Also at the Bitcoin price, you can see that we have the energy to go here to the top side, but all depends on this area. If they switch here and say no, we won't not go here to the top side, then the price will go here to the downside. Let's look in detail, and you can see the negative impact here, but we can also see we have a good trend to the top side. So I think in my eyes the price will not go here to the downside. I think we have to we have a lot of energy to make this, yeah, to make this. And if this is happening, then you can see then we break this resistance here, yeah, something like that, and then we have really good possibility to make here left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation. So it's a very good formation to go here to the top side, even if we are in red. Let's see what's happening. I wish you a good evening. Have a nice day.